How to change app icons on iOS 16. Firstly, you will need to download app icons. For that, open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. Now search for the app icon that you want to set. Here I'm gonna search for Instagram icons. Now go to the images section. Now over here you will find lots of options. Download the one that you want to set. Here I'm gonna select this one. All you have to do is long press on it and tap on save to photos to download it. Now it has been downloaded to your camera roll. Now you can close this. After you download the app icon, you have to now open this shortcuts app. If you don't have this app, then you can easily download it from App Store. And after you open the app, at the top right corner you can find this plus icon. Tap on it. Now tap on this option of add action. Over here you will find different options. Go to this option of scripting, open it. Now tap on open app option. Now tap on this app option. Now from here you have to select the app that you want to set the app icon of. Here I will select Instagram as I have downloaded app icon for that app. After you select the app, at the bottom middle you can find this icon of icon. Tap on it. Now tap on this option of add to home screen. Now all you have to do is give a name to your app icon. After you give a name, tap on this icon. Now select the option of choose photo. Now select the photo that you have downloaded. After you select the picture, tap on choose given at the bottom right. And then tap on add given at the top right corner. And now you are good to go. Here you can see that I have easily changed app icon for Instagram app. Likewise, you can do the same for other app as well. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change app icons on iOS 16. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.